In this video we are going to see about binary search. Okay, so in binary search we will first see the algorithm and then we will see one application. Okay, one important thing about binary search is that the array should be sorted. So let's see the algorithm. So first we will have we will just write down the algorithm, then we will see one application. So first we will use some variables. So first variable and terms that we'll be using are data. Data is the name of the array, LB is the lower bound, UB is the upper bound of the array, and then so these are the terms. So if we need any more variable terms, we will say. So the first step of the algorithm is we are going to declare some variables. So we are going to set beg. Bg is the name of a variable, and here we are going to store the lower bound. Okay, in and another variable we are going to store upper bound, and then mid is another variable where we will compute the integer part of beg plus and divided by 2. Okay, so this is our first part. In when we will see one application, it will become more clear. Okay, so this is the first step. So in the second step we are going to repeat steps 3 and 4. So repeat steps 3 and 4 till some condition is satisfied. So what are the conditions? So repeat steps 3 and 4 while beg is less than equal to end. So till this point we are going to repeat step 3 and 4, and data present at the mid will be some location. So data present in the mid is not equal to item. Now what is item? Item is another thing. So a variable item means it is the element that we are trying to search. Okay, so now let's see step 3. Okay, so what is step 3? So we are going to repeat steps in 3 if both the conditions are satisfied. So what is step 3? If data present at the mid location. Okay, if data present at the mid location is greater than equal to the item that we are trying to find. So if it is true, we are going to change the position of the end. So we are going to write end is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, end is equal to mid minus 1. Else what we are going to do? We are going to set beg equal to mid plus 1. So why we are doing it? I will show you with the help of one example. Okay, in step number 4 we are going to write down not data mid, we are going to update the value of mid. So here we will have to update the value of mid again. So we are going to write mid int of, that is the integer part we are going to take if in case we get the floating point number, beg plus n divided by 2. Okay, then in step number 5 we are going to check if data present in the mid is equal to the item. So if it is equal to the item means we have found the item at the mid location. So we will set LOC is equal to mid. Okay, else suppose we don't get the item, so we are just going to print element not found. Okay, and then step number 6 will be stop, and we won't find the element even if the conditions are also false. Okay, that time also we will come out of the loop. So now we will see one small example. So suppose this is our array data. So here suppose we are having the elements 10, 22, 33. So we are having a couple of elements here. So if you see, if you want to apply binary search, one very important thing is that the data should be in sorted manner, either in ascending or descending. So total we have this many elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Suppose 9 elements are there and we want to search 40. So what will be the big if we see the algorithm? So big is equal to 1. We are starting from index 1, and what will be the end, not UB, we will have to find out UB end will be equal to 9. Here by mistake I have written UB, it's end. Okay, so beg is equal to 1 and end is equal to 9. Now we need to find mid of beg plus end divided by 2. So 1 plus 9 divided by 2, that is equal to 5, right? So what is present in data of mid now? So data of mid means data of 5. So what is present? Here we will just write down data of 5. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 5, so here 50 is present, right? So now we got this much. Now if we see the algorithm, we will have to check the conditions. Now beg is less than equal to 9 and data at mid is not equal to 40, so we are going to go for step number 3 and 4. So what was step number 3? Before that the item is 40, I'm writing. Okay, so now we are going to go for next step. So now we will check the data. Now the item is, we are going to check the condition, if condition. Okay, step number 3. So here item is 40, which is less than data mid, right? Data mid is 50. So the item that we are trying to search is towards the left hand side of the mid element. So there is no point of, so we need to check in this part, right? Since we know it is less than the mid, and no point in checking the array towards the end of the array. So we are going to change the value of n, which is will become mid minus 1. So mid was 5, so mid was 5, so 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. Okay, so next we will try to find, again we have got the, we will start from the first step. Okay, so beg is equal to 1, and value has changed, which is 4 now. Again we will try to find out the mid. So mid equal to beg plus n divided by 2, 1 plus 4 divided by 2, so it is 5 divided 5 divided by 2, 3.5. It should be 2.5. It means 2 by mistake I wrote 3. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm just trying to show you how it works. We will consider it as 3. So data at mid, data at 3 is equal to 33. Now the item is greater than 33. Okay, so it means what? If the item is greater than 33, it means the value that we are trying to search is towards the right hand side. So we are going to change the beginning. So there is no point of looking towards the left hand side. So beginning equal to mid plus 1, so which is 4. Okay, now next step again we are going to do from the beginning. So beg is equal to 4 this time, and mid end is equal to 4, and data at mid. So now you see both are same, equal. Okay, and data at mid is, that is data at 4th position is equal to beg is less than equal to end here. So this condition is satisfied. Then second one is data at mid. So data at mid we will try to find, and data at mid is equal to, if we count, it is equal to 40, right? It is equal to mid is 4 plus, we have forgotten to calculate mid equal to 4 plus 4 divided by 2, so 4, mid of 4 is equal to data at 4 equal to 1 2 3 4 40. So it means we have got our item that we are trying to find, right? So now step number, we will end this loop, that is we are not going to follow out with step number 3 and 4. We are going to step number 5. So what, according to the algorithm, now data at mid is equal to item, right? So LOC we are going to put, therefore LOC is equal to mid, that is 4, right? Mid is equal to 4. So it means that element that we are trying to find is present in the 4th location. Just keep in mind, by mistake in step number 2, if you see, I have written it 3, it should be 2.5 means 2. Okay, but rest is same. So this is all about binary search. Thank you everyone.